Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to book a flight ticket online without having to pay any dime upfront, just so you can use the flight ticket for your visa application. If that sounds amazing, you're going to stick to the end of this video while we get started without wasting a lot of your time. So let's get started. I love to use Ethiopian Airlines. You can use any other airline of your choice, but in this video I'm going to be using the Ethiopian Airlines. Okay, so I head over to ethiopianairlines.com. I'm also going to leave the link in the description of this video. By the way, this video is not sponsored by Ethiopian Airlines. This video is simply for educational purposes, not sponsored anyway at all. So I will head over to ethiopianairlines.com. I will also leave the link in the description of this video if you want to use the Ethiopian Airlines. And over here, I'm going to quickly select the flight information. For the trip right here, you're going to want to make sure you select a round trip, not a one-way trip, okay? I'm going to click here and make sure I selected a round trip. Let's say I'm going to go from Lagos, Nigeria, and then I'm going to head to, let's say I'm going to head to London. I'm just making things up, right? Just going to head to London. Okay, let's use this London Gatwick. And the departure date is going to be 7th of June is fine. And then for the return, you can see this is the departure and this is the return. As you know, we selected a round trip. For the return trip, let's say we're going to stay for 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Let's say we're going to stay for 7 days and the return date is going to be on the 14th. So let's just select 14th and then I click on done. And you can see right here the departure date is this, the return date is going to be this. And I'll click on search. While the search is running, if you get any value from this video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And also if you have any question, leave it in the comment section. If you're also new to my YouTube channel, please consider subscribing to my YouTube channel. I'll be really grateful if you do. I drop content around tech and tools that increase your productivity at work. So as we have right here, our flight information has just come up. And of course, I'm going to just allow this to get out of the way. No, close that. So right over here you can see the flights that we have available right now. So I'm just gonna take one of these. Let's just say the first one right here. You can see the price over here, so I'm gonna click on the price, and here we have economy, semi flex, eco flex. All these subclasses actually doesn't matter right now, so I'm just gonna select the first one right here. Let's say this. Over here I'm going to select this and click on select right here, and here we go. Now we need to also select the flight for the return. Okay, and for the return, as you can see, we only have one flight available, and why not we just select the one flight right here. I'm going to click here, and of course I click on the select for the economy, semi flex, or whatever it calls itself. And here we have the departure flight, and here we have the return. If you want to change any of the flights, you can click here to change the flight, but that's just by the way. It actually does not matter right now. So I'm going to scroll all the way down and you can see the flight information. Now you can log in for a faster checkout, or you can continue as a guest. There's actually no benefit having to log in or whatever. I usually continue as a guest. If you want to create an account, you can go ahead and do that. But I'm just going to continue as a guest since I have nothing to lose. So I click on continue as a guest. And let me just go ahead and fill up the form, and I'll be back in a few seconds. My information is entered. I'm going to click on continue, and here of course I enter the contact information. So let me go ahead and enter my phone number right here. Let's say this is going to be my phone number, and after I've entered my phone number and email address, of course I had to scroll up. I don't want you to see that. I'm going to click on continue right here. And over the next window and the next step, we have the seat selection. Over here we're going to be selecting the seats, and as you can see, we have total number of 4 flights that we are going to catch, 2 for going and the other 2 for coming back. And for the first one, we have from Lagos to Addis Ababa, and from the second one, as you can see right here, from Addis Ababa to Gatwick, London. And then the third one is going to be from London to Addis Ababa coming back. And also the fourth one is going to be from Addis Ababa to Nigeria, Lagos. So let's select the seat numbers that we want for the 4 flights. And to do that, I've gone back to the first flight right here. I'm going to scroll all the way down, and I'm just going to select which one that I want. You can see the legend right here. These ones right here are already reserved. As you can see, they are locked, and these ones right here are available. The ones on the plain white, they are actually available. So I'm just going to be focusing on the ones on the plain white. This one right here is going to be available, so I actually like the window seat. So I'm gonna have to select this one right here for the one going from Lagos to Addis Ababa, and then once I click on that, I can click on select seat, and yeah, here we go. I'm gonna view the next flight, which is the second one from Addis Ababa to London Gatwick. I'll scroll all the way down as well, and I'm also going to try to select a window seat right here. So I'm gonna select this one over here, select seat, and there we go. There we go. Selected, view next flight, which is the return flight from Gatwick to Addis Ababa. So I'm also going to select a window seat. Let's select from this side right here. I'm going to select this one, select seat, and here we go, view next flight, which is the last one right here from Addis Ababa back to Lagos. So I'm going to scroll all the way down, and let's fly from this side as well. I'm going to click on select seat, and there we go. Yeah, there we go, up to the next level. So we are done with the seat selection right here. I'm going to click on continue, and there we go. Here it says extras. If you actually want to select any extra, such as Wi-Fi in the plane, excess baggage, you can just go ahead and select anything that you want, but it actually does not matter, right? So I'm going to scroll all the way down and click on continue. I don't want any of the extras, so I'll click on continue. And for the next window, we have the payment step right here. So if I scroll all the way down, you're going to see the subtotal. So this is the trip total for the 4 entire flights that I'll be catching in this trip. Okay, you can see the total 1.7 million, over 1.7 million naira right there. And here we have a couple of options to pay: the instant bank transfer. We also have the book now and pay later, and that is the exact one that we'll be needing for this video, because it's actually going to enable us to book right now and go ahead to use the flight ticket for our visa application. Then of course, when the application is accepted, then of course we can pay and catch our flight. That's it. I'm going to click on select right here for the book now and pay later. I'm going to click on select, and there we go. We'll scroll all the way down. I'm going to click on this box by completing. Of course, I need to agree to the terms, right? So I'll check that box right there, and I'll click on continue. Transaction in progress. And so guys, that's it. Our ticket has been booked without paying. All right, and here we have the confirmation code, and it's on hold as well. We have a couple of options right here. I'm going to come back to that. And if I scroll down, I'm going to be seeing the ticket right here, and this is for the going. This is for the departure, and this is for the return right here. Okay, you can see 2 and 2 right here. You can click here to view details, and this is for the going from Lagos to Addis Ababa, and this is from Addis Ababa to Gatwick. Let's collapse that, and for the return we have the Gatwick to Addis Ababa to Lagos, and that's it. You can see all is confirmed right now. So I'm going to collapse this. If I scroll somewhere up, I'm going to see an option for print right here. So if I click on that, and here we're going to see the tickets in PDF format. We can as well go ahead and print it out, or we can go ahead and download it onto our PC. I'm going to allow that for now. So let's go ahead and see the tickets. Close that. And yeah, over here we have the tickets. We can download right here. So destination, save as PDF. Then we can save this as PDF file, and we can use that for our visa application. That's it. If I click on save right here, of course, I've saved the ticket as PDF. And yeah, that's simply how you can be able to book your flight tickets for your visa applications free of charge without paying anything upfront. So if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you have any question as well, leave it in the comment section. If you're new to my YouTube channel, please hit the subscribe button, and don't forget to turn on the notification. I'm gonna see you in the next time you watch my video again. Goodbye for now.